In this video, we'll be diving into how to use PartnerStack's partner performance reviews effectively. Whether you're new to the software or looking for a quick refresher, I'll walk you through the key features that make it an essential tool for managing your partner relationships. With PartnerStack's partner performance reviews, you can track, manage, and evaluate your partner's progress with ease. The software offers a streamlined way to assess the impact of each partner and align them with your business goals. It's simple but powerful. Let's break it down. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to the Partner Performance tab within your PartnerStack dashboard. This section is where you'll find all your reviews and reports on partner performance, making it super easy to evaluate how well each partner is contributing to your success. You'll see a list of partners with performance metrics such as sales, leads, and overall revenue. PartnerStack also provides detailed analytics to help you compare your partners against set goals, and you can filter by specific time frames for even deeper insight. This feature is really handy when you want to quickly see who's performing best and who's falling short. Now, let's talk about the review process itself. With partner performance reviews, you can add feedback on each partner's performance. This includes both quantitative data like revenue generated and qualitative feedback based on their overall efforts. It's a great way to give constructive feedback to partners and help them improve. Another cool feature is the ability to set performance targets. This allows you to align your partner's goals with your own business objectives. You can set custom KPIs for each partner and track their progress toward these goals over time. The system will automatically generate reports, so you don't have to spend time manually compiling data. It's efficient and it saves you tons of time. If you're managing multiple partners, PartnerStack lets you organize them into different tiers. For example, you could have top performing partners, mid-level performers, and those who need improvement. This helps you create more personalized and effective strategies for each group, which ultimately leads to better results. One of the best things about PartnerStack is its ability to automate partner communications. With performance reviews in place, you can send automated updates and reminders about the goals and progress made. This keeps your partners engaged and motivated without you needing to send individual emails or reports manually. Lastly, PartnerStack's integration with other tools, like Slack and email, makes it even easier to keep everyone on the same page. Whether you're managing a small group or a large network of partners, this feature keeps communication smooth and hassle-free. I'm sure you can see how PartnerStack's partner performance reviews can drastically improve how you manage your partnerships. And if you're looking to get started with PartnerStack, I've got something special for you. You can use the software for free with an exclusive bonus offer through the link in the description below. But don't wait too long. The extended trial period is only available for a limited time. Make sure to click that link and get started today to maximize the impact of your partnerships. That's it for today's quick guide on how to use PartnerStack's partner performance reviews. If you're looking to take your partnerships to the next level, this tool is a must-have. Thanks for watching.